Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the problem of incoming problem not showing on OPPO mobile phone screen. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been move on, no need to move on setting. Just click on this tab here, just press for 3 seconds and just click on the F info. When you move on app info, just move on the storage usage and click on the clear data. Just click on OK. After you have been click on OK, just click on back button and click on permissions. Just activate all the permissions from here. If suppose a microphone is deactivate, just click on allow. This all should be allow. Call log, camera, contact. If you want to not allow this camera, you can don't allow. Okay, so if you want to allow call logs, contact, microphone, phone, SMS, this all should be allowed. Okay, then only your call recording, call screen problem, incoming call screen problem will be solved. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching.